Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to search US Census records on Ancestry.com by address, perfect for tracing your family's history home by home. First of all, open the Ancestry application, or you can go to any browser and type the Ancestry.com and make sure you have login to your account. Open the Ancestry application, then this type of interface will be open. Make sure you have login to your account, Google or Facebook. Then from the menu, click for the Search Census and Voter List to access all available census records. At the search bar, you will see the search bar, and you can see here the option called Search for the Census. Search Census and Voter List. Scroll down to the filter section. You can search here and you will see the filter option, add event, add family member. Now enter the street address, city and state where your ancestor live. You can also add the year of the census to narrow your search. Now step 3 is to review the result. After you have searched, simply click on the search button, as you can see at the top right. Then each record will show the household, family members and other details. Click on a record to see the full census page. Step 4 is to save or attach. If you find the correct record, save it to your family tree by clicking Save to Tree. You can also download or print the page for your records. And that's it. Searching census by address is a great way to learn more about your ancestors' home and lives. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more genealogy tips, and I'll see you in the next one.